Hi there, hi everyone. What's happening? We continue with the additional in today's newspaper of Monday, June the 8th, 2020. This last Sudoku need to be solved. Yes, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we find the single box in this? I will move the camera, position the camera, yes, in the middle. Can we see here the single box? I see here a single box, so this will automatically be the one. Do we see a dual box? Yes, here a dual box. So the only numbers I can fill are the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, so no 1 in this box. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box. I see here 1, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. Then I need to... Where's my pencil? Yeah. A triple box. 1, 2 and 3. 3 already filled in, so this should be a 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. That means... No, let me see. Also a triple box, 1, 2 and 3. These two boxes cannot be a 4. It's around the 4, so the 4 goes here or there. I mark them, yes. Here we have a 1, so these two boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 goes here or there. I mark them. These two boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there, so the 2 goes here or there. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. The 2 goes here or there. In this area, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. I cannot fill the 3 here because we have a 3 there. Here I cannot fill a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 goes here or there. We have in this area a 3 here. So I cannot fill a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. The boxes surround the 3 cannot contain with the 3. That is a rule. And these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. But also these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I have marked those 2 boxes with a 3. This box cannot be a 3 anymore, so the 3 goes here. And I see here a 1, so this box cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. And also this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I have marked those 2 boxes with a 2. But now I have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. The 2 goes here. We have a 2 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. we have in this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. I cannot fill a 3 here. We have a 3 there. I cannot fill a 3 there. We have a 3 here. And I cannot fill a 3 there. We have a 3 here. 3 cannot be filled here. One box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be filled with a 3. We have a 3 here. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Two boxes left for the 4 and the 5 in this area. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes here or there. The other pencil. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes here or there. Then we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. So one box left for the 5 should be there. The other two boxes, 1 and a 2, are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The triple box, the 1 and a 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in these two boxes. 2 goes there. 1 and the 3 goes here. 1 and the 3. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. And if I fill the 1 in that box, that means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be filled with a 1. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 3. Because I need a 1 in one of those 5 boxes. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 1. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3 anymore. The 3 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. And we have a triple box, 1 and a 2. And I cannot fill a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 1, this should be a 2. A 2, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 are left for those 2 boxes. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left for the 5. Cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Alright. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes here to as a pair with the 3. So the 5 I can eliminate it because it's a pair, 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So it cannot be a 5. The 5 goes here. Then we have the 1 and a 4 left. We see here 4. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 is left here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. I see here 2, so that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here. The 2 should be there. 2 should be there. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 5, or this could be a 5. This could be a 5, or that could be a 5. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. And this should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes here. These 2 boxes are left for the 4 and the 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then this box should be the 2, because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, this should be a 2. So now 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright, how about this box? This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be the 4, cannot be a 5, so it should be the 4, yes. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5, alright. This box should be the 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be the 5, yes. Alright, so 2 boxes left in this area, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5, and this should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then let's see. These 2 numbers cannot be a 2, and these 2 numbers cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes here, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. That means, we see here a 2, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left in this area. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 3 and the 5, no, the 4 and the 5 are left. We see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the final number, a 5. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. Great Suguru. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Yeah, why don't you subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you for watching this episode, and I will meet you the next time. So keep on puzzling, people. Thank you, and bye bye for now.